Welcome back. Today we are examining two important modern Lincoln cent varieties that require precise physical verification. The 1982 D small date copper transitional era and the 1999 wide AM variety. Let's break down the exact technical checkpoints for both coins. 1. The 1982 D small date copper penny, 0.25 to 1.30. First is the 1982 D small date copper. In 1982, the United States Mint switched planchet composition from 95% copper to copper-plated zinc. During this same year, the date typography was modified, creating both large date and small date varieties. While the Denver Mint struck zinc small date pennies for circulation, a very small number were struck on remaining copper planchets. Identification checkpoints. First, verify the date design. On the small date, the numbers are noticeably smaller, curved, and the top loop of the 8 is smaller than the bottom loop. The date also sits slightly farther from the rim compared to the large date. Planchet weight. This is the most crucial test. Standard zinc 1982 D pennies weigh 2.50 grams. A genuine copper 1982 D small date must weigh 3.11 grams on a digital scale. Estimated value. Due to confirmed low population counts, verified examples carry an estimated value ranging from $10,000 to $18,000 plus depending on certified grade. 2. The 1999 wide AM Lincoln cent, 1.30 to 2.35. Next is the 1999 wide AM variety. In 1999, Philadelphia Mint working dies intended for proof coinage were used on regular business strike presses, transferring the proof lettering layout onto circulation coins. Identification checkpoints. Turn the coin to the reverse and inspect the legend reading America. On standard 1999 circulation pennies, the letters A and M sit close together, close AM. On the rare 1999 wide AM, there is a distinct, visible gap between the bases of A and M. Additionally, the designer's initials FG sit noticeably closer to the Lincoln Memorial Building. Planchet weight. Standard modern copper-plated zinc weighing precisely 2.50 grams. Estimated value. Depending on wear and surface condition, estimated values range from $25 to $50 for circulated pieces and $150 to $450 plus for uncirculated specimens. Conclusion and outro, 2:35 to 3 o'clock. To verify these two varieties. 1982 D. Confirm small date plus 3.11 gram scale reading. 1999. Confirm wide AM letter spacing on the reverse plus 2.50 gram weight.